Okay, so that is the drain I was looking for. I'm in the mezzanine level, which is all pipes, duct work, electrical work. So what I did was I found where it's dripping over there, but this is all drywall. So what I did was I shoved this down to get a location. Now let's make our way back. Oh man, I'm glad they made this little bridge here. But now I gotta make my way back that way. There's no easy way besides this way. Maybe I can go down this way. Gotta hold on to these while I'm tight roping here. Go under. I got nowhere to grab, man. This sucks. Nice and easy. Here I come. I'm coming this way. Yeah, I'm over here. Whew. Made it that far. Okay. Walked all the way down there. Now we gotta go this way. Keep going. Just keep going, just keep going. Oh, look at that, they put a fucking bridge over there. How do I get over there? Holy shit. Talk about fucking an exercise.
Bro, I bet.
Just gotta go under this.
Walk the plank.
Whew. Made it through that. Walk the plank. Hello, buddy.
Hello, Craig.